I'm going to show you if you can use food stamps on DoorDash. Yes, you can use food stamps on DoorDash, but only for grocery orders from participating stores. To do this, go to your account settings, select Payment, then Program Cards, and add your SNAP or EBT card by entering the card number. Alternatively, you can add your EBT card directly at checkout by changing or adding it as your payment method. Once your card is added, you can find SNAP-eligible stores by selecting the grocery or convenience store icons on the home screen. Use the SNAP filter at the top of the screen to display stores that accept SNAP. When shopping, you can browse for SNAP-eligible items by choosing the relevant category and applying the SNAP filter. You can also check if an item is eligible by looking for the SNAP icon on the item's info page. At checkout, the SNAP-eligible subtotal will automatically be applied to your order. If necessary, you can adjust the SNAP amount applied. However, any remaining balance, including taxes and fees, must be paid with an alternate payment method such as a debit card, credit card, or DoorDash credit. Note that this feature only works for grocery orders and not for restaurant or food delivery services.